I still don't quite understand how I have this, but I got it. While I tell you guys how I found this at my local Walmart, let me get my face ready because I can't wait to dive into the palette. From the research that I've done, Profusion Cosmetics has not started promoting this line yet. If you go to their social media handles, if you even go to their website, you will not find this line yet. Don't get me wrong, there will be other products from the collection they have with Casper, but the Casper and Hot Stuff collection that they are launching for Valentine's Day, it's nowhere to be found. Mind you, I bought this palette on January 30th, and I am recording this video on February 2nd. I don't know when they plan to start posting things about the Valentine's Day, but so far, nothing. With that being said, this is how I found it. As I mentioned, I was walking at my local Walmart, as one does, and I ended up at the makeup section, as one also does. And I saw the display, you know, the limited time displays, and for some reason it was kind of shoved on the shelf. I don't think it was supposed to be there, but that's where it was. And I was so confused because I hadn't seen anything about it yet. Right in the aisle, I Googled it, and I couldn't find anything on the website. I couldn't find anything on Instagram. I don't have TikTok, but even on Google, it wasn't showing anything. But I did find other creators talking about how they found the collection at their Walmart. So, fun fact, I knew about Casper, but I didn't know about Hot Stuff. So, Casper the Friendly Ghost is a cartoon character who prefers making friends with people and animals instead of scaring them. He is a character from 1963 and mostly famous for Casper Meets Wendy 1998 movie. Now, Hot Stuff is the one that I didn't know about, and he is Hot Stuff the Little Devil. It's a character appearing in American comic books, and he first appeared in 1957. So they are both in the same generation. If you look for Hot Stuff and Casper, they do have comic appearances together, like in 1985 and so on and so forth. So the idea of having Casper and Hot Stuff together is not exactly new, but it's cute and understandable. Okay, the moment we've been waiting for. Here's the palette. They're so cute. Oh my gosh. And then on the back, we can see all the shades and the shade names. And the palette is infused with vitamin A and E. It's talc and paraben free, made from recyclable material, and it's vegan and cruelty free. And the colors look like I can wear them every day, especially the top half. So I'm very excited for that. Oh wow. Two of them have little stamps on them. The blissed out, I don't know if you can clearly see it, but it has like 2 stars. And the hot cutie alert, it's like flames. But for sure, the ones that I'm very intrigued, this one right here, the Hey Hot Stuff, I don't know how that's gonna look when we apply it. And the You're So Fire. But they are gorgeous. I mean, look at this one. This one is so cute. See, these colors here, they are the ones that I think we can wear every day. But I definitely see the theme. The bottom is probably the Hot Stuff and the top is Casper. That's probably what they went for. You know what? I never did this before, but I kind of want to do Casper and Hot Stuff, or Hot Stuff and Casper. Yeah. Why not? It's 2025. Let's go for it. Let's do the hot stuff first. What if we go for this on the back, this close to the lashes, and then we sprinkle this for the glitter, and the bottom lashes, just because we can put the lovable little devil. There's a lot of fallout. Since it has a lot of fallout, let me pack with powder. What did I say I was gonna do? Oh yeah. The You're So Fire, same brush. I don't know if you can see on the camera, but you can see the little hints of the red in the color, and it's so pretty. I wasn't recording. So basically the past 20 minutes was me trying to figure out what to do with the other eye. And as you can see, I kind of started already. Oh, this in the corner is this beautiful thing over here. The plan is to put the blast out on the back. Then we go for Friendly Ghost on the outer portion. The inner corner, I got Ghosted. And then on the bottom, we will go with some Free Spirit right here. But I got very underwhelmed with Blessed Out. The shade is very cute, it's just it doesn't go with my skin tone. It's not showing a lot. Also, the fallout on this palette is real, so no white shirt while doing this makeup because, my god. Friendly Ghost is matching perfectly with Blessed Out. There's no shade difference. On the pen, this is a little more blue than this, but on my lid they are literally the same. Although I have to say the Friendly Ghost applied much easier, but the glitter that I thought was packed with is nowhere to be seen, just like with the Naughty and Nice. Same brush, let's go for Got Ghosted. Let me try with my finger. Found the shimmer on the palette. Now it's time for the Free Spirit. Let me apply mascara, put my hair back down, and we'll come to the final thoughts. Did I like the palette? Yes. Even with the amount, like, it's already very messy. I can tell this will be a messy palette. The colors, they are very wearable on the everyday. Even the black ones, you can kind of use them as a liner and... Oh, I didn't put lipstick. What am I doing? Hold on. This turned out to be one of my favorite lipsticks, and it was a find from Dollar Tree. It doesn't go with the look, but the look is not going with the look, so it's okay. I will wear this palette a lot. The lighter shades, because they are very light, it's nice. And it was what, 15 bucks rounding up. I just don't understand how I got my hands on it before Profusion started to make a campaign for it. This is still bugging up my mind. I don't get it. What do you think of the colors? I think they are of such a variety that it can satisfy a lot of people at the same time. So I think that was very nice. But that was it for today, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye!